This question is on power rating, on fuses, and also on electrical wiring. So in part A, what is meant by power rating? The power rating basically means that if you apply the voltage as stated in the power rating, the appliance will utilize the stated power value. So in this context, in your answer, remember to put in numbers. So a power rating of 750 volts in this context for this kettle means that when you apply a 240 volt voltage to the kettle, in 1 second, the kettle will use up 750 joules of energy from it will be converted from electrical energy to perhaps heat or thermal energy. In part B, you're supposed to calculate the current passing through the kettle when it's operating normally, and then suggest a suitable fuse value that is slightly higher than the normal operating current. So the answer is the 5 ampere fuse will be suitable. So use the power equation, P equals IV. And power is 750 watts. The voltage is 240 volts. And you will see that the current that flows through the kettle when it's operating normally, when you apply 240 volts of voltage across it, the current will be 3.125 amperes. We choose a current rating of slightly higher than that, and therefore 5 amperes fuse will be the most suitable. In part C and part D, you are to determine the voltage across the various wires and the current in the various wires. So the voltage that you apply to this kettle is a 240 volts power supply. So this tells you that the potential difference across this kettle is 240 volts, and this means that the PD, or the potential difference across the live and neutral wire, is 240 volts. The live wire is at 240 volts potential. The neutral wire is at 0 volts potential. And lastly, the earth wire is also at 0 volts potential. So you just calculate the difference in potential to get these three answers. In part D, what is the current? When the kettle is working normally, we determine the current just now to be 3.1 amperes. So the live wire will so-called carry the current into the appliance. Therefore, the live wire will have 3.1 amperes, and the current will return back via the neutral wire. Earth wire has no current in it when everything is working fine, so it's 0 amperes for the earth wire.